Doubt I can get that up. It's gonna break. Yep. Of course it'll break.
Yeah, but of course, right?
We'll have to dig that up.
Usually do. Can't really see what you're doing. Oh, what'd you think about that heat today?
Pretty hot, wasn't it?
Yeah, it got to be 98 degrees. Just a little shy of 100 there. It came down a little too easy, didn't it?
It's rotten real bad. So we put that there instead of a post and just nailed it to the building. But I'm gonna put us a post back.
Yeah, that's the whole point of buying them.
I guess let's go ahead and take this out. That one's a hard one to get.
Smile.
Well, this wire's in the way. Well, I guess I could snip it off, couldn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of crying about it, do something about it, right?
Yeah.
I hate to put my back to the camera like that. There's certain times that
You have to.
yeah, ain't no choice unless you were to stand in there.
Make it a little hard to do anything standing in there.
Some of these things I put like 5 staples in one spot. Oh, I bet you I know I was trying to get rid of the staples. That way I'd be done for the day, probably. Knowing me as a kid.
Yeah, it sounds like something a kid would do. I got about 4 ticks off of me today.
Got brown ticks, dog ticks, deer ticks. You name it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go ahead.
Even the Lone Star tick. The dreaded Lone Star tick.
Go around. Well, I was talking about me, but you can come too if you want.
May as well.
I'm still trying to run it in through my mind how I'm going to do this tree. I'm sure that's probably what you guys are wondering too. Well, I still haven't decided yet.
I think you should move the building back a little bit and then build a feeder around it. Maybe a waterer.
Gotta be ever so gently.
I have seen people take and build benches around their trees.
Can you see me pretty good?
Yeah. Well, it's starting to get dark.
Well, you can't really help that.
I know.
I suppose if you wanted to, we could find an Aztec somewhere and a human sacrifice. They could try to offer a heart up to the sun god of theirs. Give us about 15 minutes. But I'm being sarcastic.
Yeah. They were some vicious people.
That's the kind of stuff Christianity put a stop to. Thanks to Cortez.
Yeah.
And there's your history lesson for the day. Cortez the Conquistador.
He would just kept killing people, wouldn't he? Well, the Aztecs would.